Right. And of course, that letter by Wafula Chebukati, if it is anything to go by, then a lot of irregularities occurred in this, these questions coming from the chair of the commission, again, raising a lot of credibility. So it is something to go by, according to you, Dr. Bukwana. But the 5 commissioners have already said, some of what is contained in that letter, some of those questions are misguided, and they may misguide Kenyans as well. So the question is this a commission that can be trusted to meticulously prepare a fresh election on the 17th of October?
Thanks, Michelle. In our last show, I said that the only solution to this problem, and now it is even exacerbated with this, what you are now calling the tower within...
The Tower of Babel.
The Tower of Babel.
Right.
My plea was that going forward, what will save us where we have reached is consultation, consultation, consultation. These IEBC commissioners were put in office, yes, through the various legislative organs, but at the end of the day, it was a political process. That is why we have commissioners there who clearly, as my learned colleague says, appear to answer to one side of the political divide. And there are others who, again, as the Jubilee politicians have said, they are amenable to NASA machinations.
Right.
Until today, and I said in our previous shows, Uhuru Kenyatta has appeared very innocent and really the victim of all this. And I say that the court did not say anything to show that the third respondent, that is Uhuru Kenyatta, did anything that led to this problem. However, with this Chebukati memo, this really shifts the position. Because what Chebukati memo indicates is that one Davis Chirche, who was the chief agent, actually gained access into the server and made changes. Now, let's not say that this memo, if it is not true or if it is true. This memo is the contents are very grave. Wafula Chebukati is not insane. He's a lawyer for information, so he understands ramifications of any statement made and attributed to him. Over 24 hours since then, 24 or 48 hours now, he has not come up and said, no, it is not attributable to me. In my view, what Chebukati seems to be doing is actually throwing this into the public domain, and hopefully so that the public court can come to his rescue. Because he's a besieged man.
Right.
You can see that out of the 5 who issued the counter memo, Kurgat, on his own volition, and that time truthfully says, hey, wait a minute, ladies and gentlemen, I didn't sign it, let's use internal mechanism. Afterwards, he comes and says, hey, wait a minute, I was in. That shows you that the IEBC is now held at hostage. And whether we like it or not, IEBC will not redeem itself until the 2 players, that is Jubilee and NASA, come together and agree, hey, guys, let's hold a ceasefire. Finally, I said here that President Uhuru Kenyatta is a wonderful person, as a person. But I also said that it is not enough. You have to identify with the people who are around you. So whereas he has rightfully said here that IEBC is an independent commission, you are not supposed to take instructions from me, and certainly not from Raila, I would have expected him to go further and told Moses Kuria similarly, and told his people similarly. And also Honorable Raila Odinga, I would expect him to say that and tell his people that, look, do not throw barbs at IEBC. Whatever has been said has to be sorted, and we'll sort that in a meeting.
All right, and of course we've